Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the TicWatch logo on the screen. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds. So keep holding the button. Once you see the TicWatch logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, we're bug in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.